Hello students, welcome to my channel Teaching Zenith. We deal the use of the. In this topic, we are going to first deal the use of the. In this, the first one, we are going to take the name of the range of the mountains. For example, the Alps, the Himalayas, the Mount Everest. In the second one, the names of the river, valleys, etc. Examples, the Ganga, the Indus. Now the third one, the names of the books. Examples, the Arabian Nights, the Gita, the Bible. Fourth, the names of heavenly bodies, directions. Examples, the sun, the east, the north, the south. Fifth one, names of the dates of the months. Example, the 1st of January, the 2nd of June. Sixth one, names of historical places. Example, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Seventh one, the names of musical instruments. Examples, the tabla, the violin. Eighth, names of community and party names. Examples, the Muslim, the Hindu, the Congress Party, the Janata Party. Ninth, names of country, some exceptional names. Those are in the plural form. For examples, the USA, the USR. 10th one, the names of planes, railways names. Examples, the Indigo, the Janta Express. Now coming to the next one, the names of newspapers. Examples, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India. Now the 12th one is the superlative degree, which always comes with the sound. The examples are the most beautiful person. The 13th one is the ordinal names. Examples, the first, the second, the fourth, the fifth. 14th, adjective used as noun, such as the poor, the rich, which is also called the poor is the Garib, the rich, Amir. The 15th, the names of islands. Examples, the West Indies, the Andamans, the Nicobars. Now we study the use of the where it is not used, such as the names of season. In the names of season, we not use the, like the spring. In spring, summer, we don't use the. In the names of date, like March 10, we don't use the. In the names of festival, like Holi, we don't use the. In the names of university, like Patna University, we don't use the. In the names of meals, like dinner, breakfast, we don't use the. In the names of transport, like bus, train, we don't use the. In the names of time period, like sunrise, event, evening, morning, we don't use the. In the relationships name, like father, mother, we don't use the. In the language names, like Hindi, English, We don't use the. Even the month names like January, March, there is no use of the. On the basis of these exercise, we have completed the articles a and the. On the basis of all the three, we do some exercise here. The first one is dash Quran is a holy book. So what we are going to write here, dash Quran is a holy book. Second one, don't hate dash poor. Don't hate dash poor. Third, wait for dash while. Wait for dash while. Fourth, he is dash Indian but I am dash European. He is dash Indian but I am dash European. Fifth, she can play on dash violin. She can play on dash violin. Now coming to the first one. Dash Quran is a holy book. Quran is the name of the book. So here we write the Quran. Don't hate. Poor is an adjective which is you act as a noun. So here it is again the use of the. Wait for. Here there is not the adjective word. It's a wait for a while. He is dash Indian. Indian is the I sound. Here the use of an Indian but I am European. Here the word is letter is E but here the pronunciation is U. So here I am a European. She can play on violin. Violin is a musical instrument. So here is the. Now the sixth one, dash university is likely to be established. Dash university is likely to be established. Seventh, one of my brothers lived in dash USA. One of my brothers live in dash USA. Eighth one, time makes dash worst enemy friends. Time makes dash worst enemies friends. Ninth, give dash knock at dash door. 10th, each of dash girls has dash pen. Each of dash girls has dash pen. Now coming to the sixth one, dash university. Again, university is not the name of the university. It's only the university. It's the U sound. U is a consonant. So here comes the A. Now one of my brothers live in USA. USA is again the plural country. So here comes the. Time makes worst. Worst is a superlatives degree. So here comes the. Give. Here give knock. Knock is a consonant. So here give a knock at the door. Each of girls. Girls is a plural countable girls. So here each of the girls has, each is for particular girl. So each girls has a pen. So here we completed the exercise.